Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, back to another video. We're gonna do something new today, do some more customization as usual. We're working on a town car, so we're just gonna make a town car video. What we're gonna do today, man, I'm gonna just install some little customization. It's gonna go on the top of the roof, like some little shark fins and stuff. So it's gonna pretty much be like this. It's gonna go like that all the way across. It's gonna look pretty clean, pretty nice, man. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit the notification bell as well. You'll be notified every time I post a video, man. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Smash the subscribe button, man. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers, man. I'm almost there. I'm a little over 800 subscribers. I might be more, and this is gonna be a video put out later. But other than that, man, let's get into the video. Clean rag or whatever kind of rag you're gonna get. Just soap water in here. Think about the spray where I want to apply my pieces at. Soap and water. So I'm gonna post a link in the description where I got these from. Obviously, if you already use the channel, man, I get all my parts from eBay. So I got these from eBay. They come with the little stickers as well. Make it stick. Just leave the green one. The green one's gonna be on the actual car, and then it's gonna have a white piece like this. So you're gonna put that one right here. Line it up as best you can. There we go. Should look like that. Let's make sure everything's stick. So now we're gonna peel this off. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna make sure I line it up properly. So I don't have to worry about how straight it is going to be because I'm going to line it up with this. So every 2 or 3 inches or so, I'll put another one there. That's pretty good for me. So we'll take our next one, we're going to start on that end. The way I did it a minute ago, you can do it that way and peel the whole thing off. We can just do it like this as well.
SharkFin on the beat. SharkFin on the beat. Shyrexo on the beat. Shyrexo on the beat.
profit. But yeah, that's not perfect. See that little space in the middle? If I had like another wing right there, a bigger wing, it would look like a lot better. But there's more space right there just because other than that, man, it's good enough for me. I'm gonna show y'all the outside of it or a different view of this as well. But other than that, man, it take about 15 minutes to do that. Nothing hard. How I did it, just literally if you saw me on the video, I'm in the middle of the video. The reason I lined it up the way that was because I pulled it up and I can forget where I left it off at. So if I didn't do it that way, I would have forgot and it would look terrible. Other than that. Man, that is going to be the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, man. Smash the subscribe button, man. Make sure you like and share the video.